Amazing is turning your lounge into a stadium. Debonair's Pizza. Try something amazing.
Hello and welcome to Diski TV. My name is Ngululeko Nkeo. I'm with Ubobo and Ukhaukelo Sibata behind the camera. Thank you so much for joining us. Please make sure you like and you subscribe on our content as well. It was a week which gave us direction with the South African teams in CAF competitions. On the one hand, Kaizer Chiefs are leading their group, although there is some danger which we'll explain and talk about with Ubobo. With Sundowns, it's a mountain to climb, but it can be made easy if they beat MC Alger. In actual fact, both teams are in simple situations. Simple in one sense that if Chiefs avoids a defeat, they go through to the quarterfinals. If Mamelodi Sundowns beats MC Alger, they go through to the quarterfinals. That's easier said than done. Thank you very much for being here. Bobzit, how are you, sir?
Yeah, ngishap Mr. Nkulu. Thingibulisa noHawukelo. Ukahle Mr. Nkulu.
Ndikrele
No, mina ngiright ngihambe. Uyahleka. No, ngiyambona.
Akayazi okwenzeka ntoni kwibhola umcimbi webhola bayi Sundowns AP Chiefs nePirates.
Angisho Mr. Nkulu.
She doesn't make any difference.
Kumele ngirecruit. Angisho yazi ba 57 ngawo. Ubonile TKJ. So kumele ngirecruit.
Recruit abantu abarongo. UTKJ ndiyambuza iskipper, where did you get the t-shirt? Uthi ngisole kuJustice. Justice doesn't know football, TKJ doesn't know football, Khawukhelo doesn't know football. You're recruiting wrong people. These are young people about technical, about camera people nama editors.
Thank you. Kufana nabafundisi. Akumelanga lokushumayela abantu abeze esontweni. Abuyolanda abantu abangayisontweni ushumayele bona. So landa abantu abangal-understand.
Mara yabona ukuthi isonto liya computer nalo. Every Sunday, you are recruiting the wrong people. Every Sunday, they have to be. Nabo bane home ground yabo. Bob said, Scarlet Chiefs. They are in a very good position. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. They won 2-1 against the Al Masry. Of course, I think even with Kaizer Junior, towards the end, they were asking him about how was the game.
Yeah.
I think even Chiefs people as well, including their former players, about Dr. Khumalo on TV, Itumeleng Khune, and ourselves, of course, about Junior and about so. They do mention this thing of not a good game, but 3 points. And I think it's been a consistent theme. Not a good game, but 3 points. Not a good game, but 3 points. And I think Kaizer Junior did kind of mention it as well. Happy with the 3 points. The game can be better. What's important is that Basbego number 1 with 10 points. Zamalek on 8 points. Al Masry on 7 points. Just congratulate them and the importance of those 3 points.
Yeah, Mr. Nkeo, I think kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sibabongise kakhulu, especially team efana neKaizer Chiefs. I think ba represent the country very well so far. Ukhlala kule position 1. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi we are proud singama South African ukubona kule group ama team afana nabo Chiefs bahlezi position 1. So into engayisho ngabo ukuthi ukuze basibeke lapha kule position benza umsebenzi ubelula ukuthi abadingi favor yenye team. They only need kumele bayenze ifavor bona ukuthi bazenzele umsebenzi. So now umsebenzi ukubo kuphela ukuthi
it's in their hands.
We understand. Yeah, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think benza umsebenzi omuhle even though mhlawumbe ibonakala iChiefs mhlawumbe uma icompete ngapha ku Betway icompete ngale ibonakala ngathi angeke, but so far so good ngeChiefs kule position. Yes, noma ngabe ngibani kule top 3 anga-qualify for bona, but umsebenzi ukubo kumele bazenzele bona umsebenzi ukuthi ba-qualify baye ku-quarter final.
Yeah, the positive thing is that it's not a must win. Kusho ukuthi they don't have to go to Egypt and beat a very difficult Zamalek team. Now let's explain what's happening. I'm going to try as much as I can. I think I tried to do that yesterday.
Yeah.
There is Chiefs is on 10 points. Zamalek are on 8 points. Al Masry are on 7 points. Those 3 teams, one of them is going to be eliminated. Chiefs go to Egypt. If you get a draw, you are fine.
Yeah.
However, if Chiefs loses against Zamalek next week and Al Masry beat Zesco, Chiefs will most likely be out because Al Masry and Chiefs have cancelled each other head to head. Those are the CAF rules. It starts with head to head, goals, away goals in head to head, anything that has to do with head to head. And then we go to goal difference. If Chiefs loses 1-0, the goal difference at Chiefs will go from +2 to +1. If on the other side, Al Masri wins 1-0 with Zesco, then they will go from 0 to +1 goal difference. Then it will be +1 goal difference. And then we go where? A tiebreaker, number of goals scored. Al Masri has scored more goals than Chiefs. Now, this is only applicable if Chiefs lose. The positive thing for Chiefs is that they just need a draw there. Of course, you can play an open game and search for a win if you want to. I don't think that that's likely going to happen. But if they get a draw, everything will be fine. But if they lose, they must hope that Al Masri does not win. So, uqala le veki number 1 as the Chiefs. The week you are number 1, but there's a possibility that by the end of the week you could be number 3 if you lose to Zamalek and Al Masri beat Zesco.
Yeah.
Yes, Bobsit, or is it complicated?
I go complicated Mr. Nkewu. Uyibeke kahle yacaca lento uma ngathi uyayibheka njengoba usho ukuthi Chiefs isidingela i-draw kuphela.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe ihleke ukuwin draw. Unfortunately, yes, i-Chiefs idlala away against i-team efana neZamalek. So i-Al Masry ina leyo advantage yokuthi idlala ekhaya. And idlaleni kwayo ekhaya idlala ne-team esibone ingawina amagame amaningi which is Zesco.
Group.
We understand.
They lose to everyone. They only won yesterday.
Yes. So uyakhona ukubona ukuthi i-Chiefs inga rely kuma results we Al Masry neZesco. Because I mean Al Masry ingayibitha iZesco. Chiefs njengoba sisho ngicabanga ukuthi kumele i-draw le game or iwine. And ngendlela ngibona ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi i-technical team ye-Chiefs ihlale phansi yakuhlela konke lokho. Remember ukuthi i-team abayilethe uma badlala neStellenbosch ku-Nedbank besiziquestiona why baletha leya team.
They made changes.
So kusho kona ukuthi baye bachoose kulama trophy ukuthi guys let's focus eligini mhlambe naku confed. Asisho ukuthi asifuni Nedbank, but if siyaphuma ku-Nedbank siyazi kahle ukuthi kumele sifocus kula. Uyabona badlala kahle ngapha ku confed badlala kahle na ku league. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba ready Mr. Nkewu. Ba ready ukuthi kuleya game away bakwazi ukuthi bathola ama results are right for bona. Even though noma kuzoba i-draw ngiyacabanga kuzoba ibonus uma ngabe mhlambe Al Masry ya draw ngale or ya lose, but bona into ekumele bayenze nje ukuthi baye lapha ngokuthi sifuni 1 point kuphela. 3 points, it's a bonus.
Leave
so,
it in your own hands.
Yeah.
These two coaches, they've been under pressure. And I did say yesterday when we were watching the games that the more those two coaches, those assistant coaches, co-coaches, interim coaches, the more they don't lose matches, the less the pressure they feel. Yes, they lost in the Nedbank Cup and there was pressure. And every time they lose, there's always pressure to change coaches, hire permanent coaches. But the more they keep on picking up points, I mean, if they can go to the quarterfinals of the Confederations Cup, it will be good for them. It will mean that sohlangana ku-March. And by the time siku March, that means we're in April, May, and then the season ends. So they take pressure away from even the management the more they win matches.
Yeah, Mr. Nkewu, ngendlela usho ngakhona noma ungayibheka ukuwina kwaba ama game njengoba usho kwenza pressure yehle. And remember laba compete khona manje it's a second competition
Confederations.
Then naku league is a third competition in Africa. We understand. So kusho kona ukuthi la kulama competition abakuwo Mr. Nkewu, if benza kahle kuwo i-pressure izawehla Mr. Nkewu. Unlike ukuthi wenze kahle kulama competition lawa mhlawumbe amancane kunalawo.
Yeah,
but you understand the cup competition. But now if ungayibheka kahle ubheke ukuthi maba ngaqualify lama quarter finals ngapha ba ku top 3 ye Betway la khona ama season adlulile besingabajwayele bale kule position. It's something good. It's kubonisa improvement kubo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-pressure Mr. Nkewu uma bangayo draw ingaba khona mhlawumbe mangabe batholakala bayaphuma kulama group stages. But uma banga qualify ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayo ba comfortable abaqeqeshi be Kaizer Chiefs.
What's your feeling? We'll be covering those matches this weekend.
Yeah.
It's Monday today. Chiefs are feeling high. The fans are feeling high because they are number 1. What's your feeling? Do you think we can see any twist? Ngoba iZamalek ine motivation. iZamalek has to beat the Chiefs. Ukuze bangabe nankinga ngeAl Masry emva kwabo. iZamalek is at home. To not worry about Al Masry, they have to beat Chiefs. So everything is at stake. Do you think when we get to Saturday, it will be a problem for Chiefs? Or they will get their draw and they'll be fine?
Mr. Nkewu, kuyoba difficult. I wish Chiefs can win that game. But it's going to be difficult. iZamalek idlala ekhaya. They will go all out Mr. Nkewu ukuthi bafuna ama results and bafuni win. so kuyoba nzima for iKaizer Chiefs lapha yakhona yabona bengathi mhlambe if bedlala le last game la ekhaya ngizobona mhlambe ngenye indlela but now it's going to be tough Mr Nkewu so they must go all out amajita kumele fight kule game because uma ngabe abayitholi draw abayitholi i-direct i-win kusho kona ukuthi kubhalile but nge-mentality yokudraw ngibona bazoba nenkinga abayi Mr Nkewu ukuthi bafuna ukuyiwina le game.
Yeah, if they fail to win,
yeah,
and if they don't draw, chances, I mean, I don't know, you can't put your hope on Zesco.
Yeah.
Because Al Masry are playing home now, but they need the points. So the two Egyptian teams, they are playing home, and they're playing Southern African teams. Zesco have nothing to play for. Whatever happens, they will be out of the group. So Chiefs need to make sure that they don't lose that game.
Chiefs mesenke injalo kumele ukuthi imake sure ukuthi le game ayilose. That's why ngithi mina approach yabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi once Chiefs yakhona ukuthi inga defensive uma inga attack ithola igoli icala ipressure iba kuzamaleke. Chiefs seyazi kahle ukuthi even if banga equalizer we are safe. But if uzodlala mhlawumbe udlalele ukuthi ufuna ukudraw last minute bangakuphanisha phele konke lokho. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iChiefs kumele iye lapha Mr Nkewu nge-positive mind ukuthi ifuna 3 point uma ngabe izeskill ahlile iChiefs kumele ipunish because uma ungabheka abadlali abafana nabo Lilepo I think babonisa something if umdlali azokunikeza igoli mhlambe ngegame 1 or 2 games uyascore kusho kona ukuthi i-confident unayo lo emdlali so ngiyacabanga they will go all out Mr Nkewu ukuthi bathola ama results right.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Bob Zit. We'll move on then to Mamelodi Sundowns, but before we get there, please make sure you like our content, make sure you comment on our content, and make sure that you are subscribed to Itiski TV. Very consistent. Friday we were here for predictions, Saturday for Orlando Pirates. Yesterday we were here, of course, for the CAF matches, both covering Mamelodi Sundowns and we're also covering Kaizer Chiefs at the same time, splitting our resources, making sure that we follow these teams and we cover the fan bases of all these teams. So we do deserve your like, your comment, and your subscribe as well. Whether you disagree with the opinions or not, we'll always be here. Next week we'll be here as we were 6 years ago, as we were 5 years ago, as we were last year and the year before and the year before. And we thank you so much for always being part of this journey. In 2024, Esperance de Tunis defeated Mamelodi Sundowns in the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. At that time, Esperance de Tunis were coached by a Portuguese coach named Miguel Cardoso. He defeated a Sundowns led by coach Rulani Mokoena. That season, Mamelodi Sundowns almost won the league in South Africa without losing a game until they won or they lost to Cape Town City on the final day of the season, the final 30 minutes of the season. All intents and purposes, it was a brilliant season by coach Rulani Mokoena for Mamelodi Sundowns. However, they failed to win the Champions League. The logic from the management of Sundowns was that, given that Miguel Cardoso defeated us and he went to the final of the CAF Champions League, we'll talk to him. He will replace coach Rulani Mokoena at Sundowns. And that they did. In fact, coach Miguel Cardoso has had such a purple patch in the CAF Champions League that in 2024, he was in the final, he lost to Al Ahly. In 2025, he was in the final with another team. So in North Esperance de Tunis, he was in the final in 2024. 2025 in the South, with Mamelodi Sundowns, he was in the final. He lost both of those finals to Pyramids and I think to Al Ahly in 2024. This is the context then in which we approach this weekend. Because this weekend, it is coach Rulani Mokoena with Algerian side MC Alger who come to South Africa to determine the future potentially of coach Miguel Cardoso. If Sundowns fail to beat MC Alger, then it is possible that this will be the end of coach Miguel Cardoso. Football gods write very beautiful stories. Bobzit, it's Ipagiwe ndod. Ipagi, we played Ipafe. The simplicity of it is that Sundowns kufuneka bete MC Alger. It is difficult, of course, on the field of play. But if they fail to beat them, Sundowns will be out, and there's possibly going to be ripple effects, whether it's Cardoso out or Cardoso and Flemingberg out. How do you see that summarization?
Yeah, Mr. Nko ngiyacabanga ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngathi Kilimanjaro or iDrakensberg lentaba ezobibhekane no Mr. Cardoso. Yeah, because it's a must-win game, Mr. Nko. And if wazi ukuthi i-mandate ye-Sundowns ikhona i-CAF Champions League, lokho angeke sikufihle ukuthi we want a coach ozowina i-CAF Champions League. If Mamelodi Sundowns the past 7 years or 8 years in a stage ephuma kiso ku CAF Champions League, and now uyothola Sundowns iyabuya iphuma kuma group stages, ayisafiki kuma quarter final, ayisafiki kuma semi finals. I-question ekumele uzibuze yona leyo ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho. Ubheka ne performance ye team, ubheke ukuthi okay iSundowns beyikwazi ukuthi ku 15 games i-collect ama point angaka ku Betway, but now itholakala i-collect ama point angaka. Nayo leyo is a question, but uma singena kule game ye weekend Mr. Nkewu iyoba difficult kakhulu because I think the strong Mamelodi Sundowns ebekade icoach njengoba usha 2024 labe icoach khona ucoach Rulani failed to beat uCardoso ku Esperance. So manje le Sundowns esibonayo manje against i-MC Alger ucoach Rulani, so sekuya ngokuthi mhlambe nalabo coach yini mhlambe ukuhlanganipha kwabo, ubani mhlambe wazi or understand omunye ukuthi udlala kanjani, because
part of it as well is a personal story between the two coaches.
Yes.
Omunye ucabanga ukuthi ungixoxisile span. Of course you were doing your job, of course.
Yeah.
When you came here, because you beat me in the semi-final and I was fired as a result.
Yeah.
Now it's my turn to make you lose your job. Part of it will be that kind of a thought as well, because those people are human beings.
Yeah.
They're not going to say in my press conference, Uguti, this is my motivation, but I lost my job because of you. Now you're going to lose your job. Okad also might be thinking, I beat you and you lost your job. I want to avoid you doing the same to me.
Yeah, I think logo Mr. Nkewu sekuya ngokuthi mhlambe bona uma babheka lama team abacoachayo ukuthi yini lama coach awafunayo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi coach Rulani naye iMC Alger ikhona imandate abamnikeze yona. So yonke into azobayenza nginesiqiniseko sokuthi wenza so because uyazi ukuthi yini iMC Alger edingayo at the end of the day. If iMC Alger imbekele something phezu kwetafula ukuthi sicela ukuthi uachieve 1 2 3, uzoya lapha ngementality ukuthi konje abacashi bami badingane. Coach Cardoso naye same apply naku, uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kule team, and mina ngimbona under pressure kakhulu Coach Cardoso because uma ungabheka the way iSundowns iku position ngikulega position ngakhona ku CAF Champions League is difficult, Mr. Nkewu. It's difficult because it's a must win.
Yeah, they can't afford a draw.
You understand? And udlala ekhaya, the advantage ukuthi udlala ekhaya. But the question is, uma ngabe uyayiluza le game or uyayidraw le game, kwenzakalani? Because uyabona njengamanje ukuthi simo sikho right, Mr. Nkewu. Asimo right, especially kubalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns.
It's been a build up.
We understand.
It's a boiling point.
We understand.
This weekend could be the end of that boiling point. It might just explode depending on our result.
We understand. So but mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona noma ngithi ngiyabheka kusho ukuthi ngama tactics most of the time, even though ngaba squad sakhe singekho right, but kungibonise something kulama game out 2 out 3 abawadlalile, because ukwazile ukumbitha twice but throw game 1 and but throw game 1 away ku MC Alger.
Oh yeah, you guys drew when you went to, it was a Friday night game. No?
Yes.
It was a draw.
Yeah.
And I was so disappointed because Sundowns actually was on fire that day.
You understand?
Maso Qatanisa and MC Alger. I was more disappointed with MC Alger that, I mean, you were at home. You can do better. One thing that I always compliment North African teams for, not compliment per se, but you can rely on them to get a result they want.
Yeah.
If a result I batting would win, then you can rely on them to waste time, to frustrate you, and especially if they score the first goal. So in our part the game, Uguti, MC Alger does not have to win that game.
Yeah.
So if they want a draw, they can waste time, they can frustrate you, because they don't have to take any risk and move. They don't have to. They can play 5 flat at the back with 2 defensive midfielders and then just hit you on the counter.
But it depends ngalo coach okhona, Coach Rulani, ukuthi uyayiprefera yini izinto esifana nalezo.
Oh, uzomela khule. In football you have to play the game in front of you.
Yeah.
You cannot, and I think Sundowns is all of which they had made that mistake. They were playing a game about preparing.
Yeah.
Whereby, for example, Limpopo, they were not tracking back. they were standing in front of the Sundowns. The Sundowns, ikuthumela wing forwards ukuthi phambili. When the ball is broken, there's no one at the back. In football, you have to play the game that's in front of you. You can prepare for the game, but the one that's in front of you is very important. So, Coach Rulani amthuma na ifixture ukuthi I don't have to express myself too much here. I don't have to expose myself too much here. Maybe if I concede a goal, I might open up a little bit. But in this game, we have the upper hand as the MC Alger. Kumele cool as umqeqeshi. You have to whether because MC Alger Karulani is not Sundowns Karulani.
Yeah.
He does not have that array of talent where
Yes.
he can go to North Africa and dictate terms. This game is asking him not to be too defensive, but to say just have a flat 5+2 and then counter with the rest of your team. You don't have to take any risk. Play the game in front of you.
That's why I'm saying Mr. Nkeo kuyodependa ngokuthi ucoach Rulani yini into azobayidinga. Remember ukuthi uyazi ukuthi la eMzansi simazi ngaliphi ibhola. And
That's irrelevant.
Ile nto ngisho yona ngithi ukhumbule angisho Mr. Nkeo uma sikhuluma ngokukhula
Yeah.
uma azombitha ucoach Cardoso kuRulani
Yeah.
ukhumbule ukuthi ile nto besiziquestionayo nokuthi okay akudingi ukuthi ungazodlale defensive football.
Yes.
Sometimes grind the results.
Yeah.
So the question is uzokhona yini na
I
uma
hope, I
ngabe
hope he doesn't
mhlawumbe
think
uya
that.
understand.
I hope he doesn't think.
Yeah, because uma ngabe uzokwazi ukukwenza lokho mhlambe time wasting or mhlambe afuna ukupaka ibhasi nani. But uma ngabe uzofuna ukudlala lento ayijwayele nakhona ngaba nenhlanhla ayibhithi Mamelodi Sundowns if mhlambe uzodlala open play we understand
He doesn't have to.
because ifootballing ngenye indlela Mr. Nkeo ngiyacabanga mina coach Rulani I don't think ukuthi angayipaka ibhasi.
It's not
Yeah.
it's not the difference between parking a bus or
Yeah,
open.
yeah.
There's something in between there,
Yeah.
which is defend when you need to
Fundamentals.
defend with 5 players.
Yeah.
When you need to defend.
With
And
discipline.
then, defensively. That's what I was asking even from Sundowns as well.
Yeah.
You don't have to send your wing backs forward.
Yeah.
Have a flat 4 plus their defensive midfielder plus another midfielder, and then the attackers can attack. I don't think I see what you're saying in
Yeah.
that una reputation, but ukula means that you play the game in front of you. You are playing the opponent in front of you. It is Sundowns that needs to chase.
Yeah.
There will be
Yeah.
opportunities for a counter. Sundowns can't defend. They are all over the place. It might happen even next week. They will continue with this wing back thing. Then you can hit them on the counter. When they have their wing backs going forward, which they don't need to, you can hit them on the counter. But let's wrap it up, Bobsit. You need a win in that game.
Yeah.
What is your feeling? And also, consequences. What do you think will happen to your coach if he doesn't win?
Mr. Nkeo it's going to be a very interesting game Mr. Nkeo mawungabheka kuleya game because enye ifuna i-draw enye ifuna i-win.
Yeah.
You understand? So uma ungathi uyayibheka njengoba ngisho ngithi coach Cardoso uzoba under pressure especially udlala ekhaya and ubona isimo singekho right especially ku fan base eMamelodi Sundowns nokuthi mhlambe ngaphuma ku CAF Champions League la engajwayele
Sure.
ukuphuma kuleya
Group
group.
stages.
So yena kumele ay all out Mr. Nkeo. Kumele ay all out. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyoba aqala ukuba under pressure kuwo wonke ama game awadlalile compared to le game esibhekane nayo because leya game leya it's a must win game and udlala ne team efuni draw. We understand which is MC Alger noma ngathola i-draw ya qualify. So mina Mr. Nkeo ngibona iyoba nzima leya game. Iyoba nzima but if ucoach Cardoso uzoyi approach ngendlela right ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungamnceda ukuthi attack Mr. Nkeo and abadlali beSundowns uma ungabheka abekho clinical Mr. Nkeo up front. Uma ungabheka
Even
end product yeSundowns
Yesterday.
is very poor.
Tashut Matthews, Tapelo Morena, there were so many chances. Yes.
We understand. So even nabo Leon kunamabhola la ucabanga ukuthi kumele ukuthi bawavalele neteam yangithola. So if i-team ingakwazi mhlawumbe ukuthi i-convert ama chances ewecreateayo kuyoba lula uma ngabe kuyoba nzima for bona uma ngabe baya attack bayenza ama mistake emove baya
And
punish.
you're vulnerable at the
And I remember if MC Alger ithola igoli icala Sundowns iba under pressure.
It will be very difficult.
Kumele izobuya ikora amagoli awu2. We understand. So ngiyacabanga Mr. Nkeo ukuthi kuzoba nzima ngeke kube lula Mr. Nkeo. Leya ngenye i-final mhlawumbe
Yeah, it's the final before the
final. I'm telling you Mr.
Yeah.
Nkeo.
What's your feeling about where Sundowns go? Let's assume that Sundowns does not win.
Yeah.
Because of a mandate, you think that it will be Ambakaya for a coach?
Mr. Nkeo.
And it's going to put you in a bad position if you dismiss that coach because you have the rest of the season. Because now it would ask the question, what do you do? Do you go coach Steve? Do you need a coach, European coach? How does someone come and coach a team with 3 months left? So if he loses, it's a negative ripple effect of consequences. Uyahamba, uyasala na uKados, Flemingberg. What do you do with the coach and stuff like that? So it's going to be complicated.
Mesenke ithi ngitshela into one. Uma ngaba iluza le game uKadoso uzoba hlulekile, uzoba ayifailure ku Sundowns because i Sundowns idlala ama semi-final, idlala ama finals. So if udlala iNedbank Cup wakhishwa iChiefs nge2-1, wadlala iMTN 8, waphuma kuMTN 8, udlalile iKhaling, uphumile kuKhaling. Manje it's CAF Champions League.
And you're not number 1 in the
league. We understand uku position 2 kuloko. So kusho kona ukuthi ngendlela ubheka ama results we Sundowns ngakhona usuka uhlulekile as a coach. So lapho kuyo dependa ku management e Sundowns ukuthi yini abayiplanile bona ngale technical team ye Sundowns ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi akusisikhathi enough or bacabanga ukuthi now it's enough ukuthi simnikezile ucoach isikhathi is enough ukuthi angalungisa because now so sayinile abanye abadlali kumele bekade abasayini before bewuziquestion ukuthi okay akanayo pre-season akasayinanga abadlali but manje ngiyacabanga so sayinile abadlali ube nayo pre-season even though ingazange kube i-pre-season enough according to mhlawumbe lawo malanga or amaviki
ekumele ube nawo.
We understand because badlali kumele ukuthi ba rest benze yonke
into but the point goes back to failing.
Yeah, injalo Mesenkewu. Injalo kusho kona ukuthi egcineni ufailile as a coach ukuthi unikeze le team lokhu mhlambe ekudingayo Mesenkewu because at least mangathi ungathi okay ngikhona la kule CAF Champions League or ngisase ku position 1 ngisavulele gap mhlambe ama point ukuthi league already ngizoyivala because into kumele ayenze phela Mesenkewu uma ngabe uphuma lapha kusho kona ukuthi kumele ukuthi a defend le league. Asikho sidingo sokuthi angayiluza le league because uma uyoluza le league le Sundowns ijwayele ukuyithatha mhlawumbe 8 times in a row ngapha uphume kuma group stages we CAF Champions League kusho kona Mesenkewu ukuthi kunzima ngiyacabanga ukuthi ila management nayo kumele ukuthi ibonise ukuthi iyamgcina imnikeza second chance or kanjani but mina ngibona as a failure ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabalandeli be Sundowns bazoba bayibona le team ukuthi ayizange i-achieve lokhu mhlambe bacount izoku-achieve or lo bekujwayele uku-achieve before.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. That's us on Monday. We thank you for joining us. It's Mamelodi Sundowns playing against MC Alger in a very important encounter this coming weekend. We're speaking, of course, it's Monday, and to everyone who's watching, it's still Monday, but this is going to be a very important week. We'll take a rest Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We will not be here. There's no matches, so we're happy about that. We'll come back then on this weekend. We'll focus only on the CAF Confederations Cup and the Champions League on Saturday and nothing more. We'll come back with the predictions as well on Friday. We hope you enjoy these matches upcoming. Kaizer Chiefs fans, I'm sure you up and up after the Nedbank Cup defeat, but it's not over yet. Don't count your chickens before they hatch because you still need to avoid losing to Zamalek. Otherwise, it can still be an exit in the CAF Confederations Cup. For Sundowns, they must beat MC Alger, and that makes it very interesting because the North Africans know how to manage football matches. Itiski TV, thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.